Struggling with essays? Here are 7 simple tips to level up your essay writing skills. Number 1. Start with an outline. Plan your introduction, body, and conclusion before writing. This will help keep your ideas organized and will avoid repetition. Number 2. Write a strong thesis statement. Create a one clear sentence that will tell your readers your main point or argument. Number 3. Use topic sentences. Begin your paragraphs with a sentence that summarizes your idea. A topic sentence is the first sentence of a paragraph that tells the reader what that paragraph is about. Think of it like a mini headline. It gives direction and focus to the rest of your paragraph. Number 4. Support your points with evidence. When you write an essay, your goal is to prove your point, not just share what you think. Opinions are fine, but they become stronger when backed up with evidence. Number 5. Use transitions between ideas. Transitions are words or phrases that connect your ideas smoothly so your essay flows naturally from one point to the next. Without transitions, your writing can sound choppy or disconnected, making it hard for readers to follow your thoughts. Number 6. Simplify your sentences. When you simplify your sentences, your ideas become easier to understand, and your message becomes stronger. Many writers think long, complicated sentences sound smarter, but in reality, they often make your essay confusing or tiring to read. Lastly, ask for feedback. Asking for feedback is one of the best ways to grow as a writer, because it helps you understand how others interpret your work. A fresh pair of eyes can help you see things you might have missed. Looking for reels designed to help you learn while having fun? Follow for more.